Beautiful sunset tonight. On. Hey Hank, America. You guys ready for your blanket? Put the blankets on the pony. Get in the barn here. There's a Jimma bear running around. What are you guys doing? You guys ready for your blankets? Huh? What are you doing, Mr. Hank? You ready for your blanket? You guys have fun today without me? You have fun all day? I don't know. Here we go. Hey, Mr. Bull. How are you? Hank, don't try to eat the camera. Hank likes to eat the camera. America, how are you? How are you, little sassy pants? Sassy prance. Alright. You guys ready to eat dinner? Then we'll put blankets on. Let's see what the chickens are doing. Spotty, what are you doing, buddy? What do you think? You sore? A little bit sore today? Hank, you're just a superstar. Hank's a superstar every day. Come on, let's go get the chickens. Get the chickens in. Hank, you're gonna help put the chickens up? Come on. Hey, ladies. What are you doing? You guys are ready for dinner. Hey, Dolly, what are you doing? Dolly's up top. Dolly. We'll get him some food real quick. A little bit of grain, little mealworms. Chicken's gonna be crazy. Hey, ladies. Chick, 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 chick. Well, it's time for bed. We have snacks. You guys lay me some eggs today? Yeah. Let's see, I think we got 1 egg. Earlier we had 10 eggs. Night, chickens. Gotta shut the gate. Shut the little door. Night, chicks. You ready to eat? You ready to eat, Mr. Hank? You want an egg? You can't have an egg. Come on. Back it up, boys and girls. Here. All right. Opie, you coming in? You hungry? Yeah? All right. It's dark in here. Coming in the feed room here. Opie, some cat food? Of course he wants cat food. There you go, big boy. What do you think? There we go. Let's put this egg up before I break it. Got a few eggs in there. Feed these hungry horses. Feed the big boys first, then the kids. Spot, get in your stall, buddy. Rollbacks first. Come on. There we go. There you go, big boy. Spotty, get in your spot. Come on. Come on, big boy. You coming? Just tell him where to go. Yeah, I'll just feed him out there. You gonna sit back here? Come on. Right here. America. Hank. There we go. Hank can sit out of the bucket on the ground here.